everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low Championship Reds. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to smash that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store if you're looking to add some Shade Gang gear to your clothing collection. Be sure to check out that website after this video is done. Probably wondering, this is a different location. Well, guess what? I kind of felt like I wanted to do this in the elements, in the environment, so that you can see this sneaker in a different light. So of course I don't have the box, but you will get to see what the box looks like in the close-up shots of the shoe. But again, as mentioned earlier, we're going to be discussing and going through the overview to start off with on the Nike Dunk Low Championship Red. Then we're going to follow it up with talking about the size and fit on these, followed by how I styled them. Great color when it comes to pop of red, so I was happy to add this to my collection. Then we are going to conclude with how these shoes are currently doing on the resale market. As you know, Dunks always do come for that steal of a deal of $100. All right, let's jump into this overview and talk about this amazing shoe. So starting with the frontal toe box region, we got that championship red. This is definitely a red that is not a deep dark red. It's more on the brighter side. So that's what you're seeing on the toe box here, followed by that crisp white leather on the front of the toe box. Working our way up, we've got simple, clean, fresh white laces with that pop of championship red on the nylon tongue, and then hits of that crisp white to make the Nike and swoosh logo pop on the tongue. Let's take a look at those before we move on to the side panels. All right, so let's move on to the side panels. We've got, again, more of that championship red underlays with the pop of crisp white on top for the Nike swoosh. Making our way to the back, we've got the embroidered Nike logo there in red, again on top of some crisp white leather. As we work our way to the inside panel, again, we've got the same underneath layers of that red with hints of that crisp white to top it off on the swoosh. The insole is a nice pop of championship red again with the logo of Nike and swoosh in a bright orange color scheme. The shoe is then completed with a simplistic white midsole and a nice pop of that championship red on the outsole. Let's look at those final details. All right, so now let's jump into size and fit. So I'm a men's 7.5, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. So as far as sizing goes, I do have an ice cream truck driving by, so un momento on this sizing portion, the great part of the element. He's almost gone. All right, so jumping back into size and fit, I do have high arch and narrow feet that are definitely not on the wider side or flatter side. So if you do have a differentiating foot shape and size, this may actually alter the size that works best for you. But I would say stick true to size on this one. All right, now let's jump into styling. So much fun styling this. This is a fun red. It's very bright and bold. So I really wanted to bring red accents out in my 3 different looks. So for the first look, I decided to wear a button-down red fitted dress at the bottom, but kind of a little baggier on the top. And that red, I feel like, just really matched this to a T. I feel like doing an all red look with these shoes really just works quite nicely.
What you need, better take all you get, my love, 'cause you know it don't come for free. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need, keep it all for yourself, my love, 'cause it really don't matter to me. I fell for you, I took the fall, I gave my heart every single time. I know the truth, I see your heart, you know I'm just some simple guy. It's funny how you finally feel.
For the second look, I wanted to just wear some nice light denim because I think denim jeans goes perfect with this color combination, but I decided to still bring in some red accents with that Disney Mickey Mouse t-shirt.
Feel like yourself when you finally let someone in and give you some help. It's funny how you finally feel like yourself when you finally let someone in and give you some help. Hey, yeah, gotta get what you want, gotta get what you need. Better take all you get, my love, 'cause you know it don't come for free. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need, keep it all for yourself, my love, 'cause it really don't matter to me. I know you're wrong, I feel the pain. You think I'm just some simple guy.
For the last and final look, as you can see, it's what I'm wearing, and this is a really cool Statue of Liberty black and white shirt with this nice kind of mini red skirt. I think just having little hints of that red color tone in your look also vibes quite nicely with this shoe as well.
I know the truth, I see your heart, you only have selfish desires. Every little thing that you ask, I will give to you. You know you never ask me twice. I've been keeping tabs on the things that I did for you. I think it's time you paid the price. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need, keep it all for yourself, my love, 'cause it really don't matter to me. Every little thing you want.
So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look out of the 3, or how would you style these?
You can see it in my dreams, I hold you close just like I wish I can. It's late at night, I know you're gone, and I can't sleep 'cause you moved on. I wish I tried, but you're with someone else tonight. Oh, why do we end up broken hearted? Oh, running right back to where we started. Tried to make it all okay, but the end is still the same. Oh, why do we end up broken hearted? What's that show we watched together? I can just remember you and me. Flipping channels, but my mind is watching slideshows of our memories. It's late at night, I know you're gone, and I can't sleep 'cause you moved on. I wish we tried, 'cause maybe you'd be here tonight. Oh, why do we end up broken hearted?
let's jump into the resale on how these shoes are currently doing in the market right now. These retailed for a price point of $100, and currently they're going between $160 on the lower end to $240 on the higher end. So definitely quite the increase in price point on the resale market. As you know, dunks do tend to do well, and you know, it's a crazy cheap price point in comparison to a lot of other Nike shoes. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as amazing merch store. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.